It is not the first time that we have talked about creativity on this page. We have already commented on its importance in our work area and how to train it so that it is always active and productive. We have explained several times that one of the best ways to promote it is by the use of references and to help you more. Today we will present you some pages and applications from which you can get references and ideas to inspire you in your work, or to simply be up to date with the most fascinating ideas that are generated in the world. In addition to provide you with applications and tools that will increase your productivity. Ads of the world. This is one of the most famous and referenced pages when talking about exploring ideas. They update daily with designs, advertisements, campaigns and other projects from around the world, thus being a constant source of ideas that you can access at any time. You can also search its large library by filtering and specifying what you need. Creative criminals. Similar to the previous page, in this one we can find images and videos developed by designers from all over the world, online content, social network publications, environments or pages. You can explore its different categories to soak up its visuals. Pinterest. One that we all know, but that doesn't mean that we should leave it out, although it is more of a visual social network. Pinterest contains a large library of images that expands every day thanks to its numerous users. Here you can find collections and folders of multiple categories created by the users. As well, you can use its search engine to filter what you need, and if you want, you can upload your own images to the page. Adweek. Another page that offers a large amount of content and ideas. Adweek is presented in a magazine format, which differentiates it from the previous pages, offering us variety in its content and keeping its feed updated with ingenious ideas that can help us with our work. Evernote. Now we move on to the applications that will improve your productivity. Evernote is a note management and organization app where you can have easy access to your annotations and important information, also giving you the opportunity to make and attach new ones at any time. You can create folders to organize them. And you can also synchronize it to all your devices so you can have them at all times. Wonderful. Bubble.us. A perfect page to organize your work and your ideas. Here you will be able to create mental maps with great ease thanks to its tools. No more disorganized ideas in the air. A focused development ensures greater productivity, and with this page you can put together a good map that guides you to your goals. Lucid Chart. This page is another alternative to organize your work in different types of diagrams. It offers different tools to create and develop your ideas and work. You can use it to establish your information, to list your ideas, and it's even useful to present an action plan. With all these tools, your creativity is the limit. I wire creativity cards. On this page we find a wild card when it comes to refreshing our minds. Every time we update the page we will be given a new idea or an activity that will help us develop our creativity. It has a large number of phrases and activities that you can see whenever you feel a block or when you get exhausted at your work. Todoist. This is an application that allows you to make pending lists and organize them for as long as you want, once you have established your tasks and goals. You can ask the application when you want how much time do you have left for a task or what is the next task on the list. Perfect to help eliminate the procrastination. With these tools we assure you that you will improve both creatively and productively. Try them and discover how you can increase your efficiency at work. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.